I ain't been home in a week. I'm gone off the gas and geek. Bitches be needy, pimpin' ain't easy. She wanna fuck on a beast. Brought the bitch back to the east. Bitch, why you playin' with me? Bitch, you ain't stayin' with me.
What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy, to PMG TV, aka Savage. Guys, today in this video, I will be making a baking video. And let me just show you this one.
I'm fuck with her cause I'm playing games. Pick up that bitch and drop off with the pain. I'm feeling good, I'm fresh like powder. Pull up my dick and I bet she devour. Wait on my comeback sooner than soon.
Okay, so guys, I'll be baking. Let me just show you my equipment. Okay, so guys, I think we're baking I think it's cakes or what do you call it? Scones, yeah. Scones or muffins, guys. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow my Instagram, TP1_15. Hey.
Bitches be needy, pimpin' ain't easy. She wanna fuck on a beast. Brought the bitch back to the east. Bitch, why you playin' with me? Bitch, you ain't stayin' with me.
Hey, I don't fuck with her cause I'm playing games. Pick up that bitch and drop off with the pain. I'm feeling good, I'm fresh like powder. Pull up my dick and I bet she devour. Wait on my comeback sooner than soon. For my ex bitch, she a dirty baboon. If I like the hoe, then I'll pass her the mirror. These niggas be copying, niggas be parrots. I'm making jokes and I bet she say
Alright guys, so I'm now cooking my egg for breakfast. I just finished baking it all in the oven. Got my spatula. Need salt. So guys, my food looks good these days. You should. Guys, you should hire me as your kid chef. I'm such a good chef, guys. I know how to cook. I'm Zimbabwe's best kid chef. That's what I wanted, like I wanted crispy. I want that nice taste. Guys, see, I told you I'm Zimbabwe's best chef. Did you see how I feel that? Anyway, guys, let me prepare. There we go. Look at this, guys. Like this. Exactly.
If I like the hoe, then I'll pass her the mirror. These niggas be copying, niggas be parrots. I'm making jokes and I bet she say ha. My bitch is Spanish, Feliz Navidad. Niggas be tripping, I'm water whipping. I fuck your bitch because that's how I'm feeling. I don't smoke gas, but I'm high off the ceiling.
You need one of these. You need one of these, okay? So the ingredients are right here. So you guys are also gonna be learning how to bake what I'm doing. Okay, so guys, you need 2.5 cups of flour. But don't. Son is kissing, man.
With her cause I'm playing games. Pick up that bitch and drop off with the pain. I'm feeling good, I'm fresh like powder. Pull up my dick and I bet she devour. Wait on my comeback sooner than soon. For my ex bitch, she a dirty baboon. If I like the hoe, then I'll pass her the mirror.
They said 2.5 cups, so
I'm making jokes and I bet she say ha. My bitch is Spanish, Feliz Navidad. Niggas be tripping, I'm water whipping. I fuck your bitch because that's how I'm feeling.
oh, that one. Guys, I know. You see it? Okay, so guys, the video is coming. Okay, so I already put 2.5 cups of flour. 3 tablespoons of sugar. 3 tablespoons. Is that tablespoons? These ones are gonna kill us. But anyways, it's good. I'm water whipping. My Yeah, good. These are
You getting carried, your career dead, you getting buried.
Rush.
I ain't been home in a week. Brother, bitch, back to the beast. Bitch, why you playing with me? Bitch, you ain't staying with me.
Hey, I don't fuck with her cause I'm playing games. Pick up that bitch and drop off with the hands. I'm feeling good, I'm fresh like powder. Pull on my dick and I bet she devoured. Wait on my comeback sooner than soon. For my ex bitch, she a dirty baboon.
Like the mirror, black mirror. Come on, video.
Jokes and I bet she say ha. My bitch is Spanish, Feliz Navidad. Niggas be tripping, I'm water whipping. My fuck your bitch because that's how I'm feeling. I don't smoke gas, but I'm high off the ceiling. Breathing the mic and that bitch get a million. I'm like a wagon, you getting carried. Your career dead, you getting buried.
I ain't been home in a week.
Now I have to put
Going off the gas and geek.
What is that? You just put it without telling.
it's kasi
It's lacto.
lacto.
Bitch, you ain't staying with me.
It's called with the mixed with
I don't
lacto.
fuck with her cause I'm playing. Pull up my dick and I bet she devoured. Wait on my comeback sooner than soon. For my ex bitch, she a dirty baboon. If I'm like the hoe, then I'll pass her the mirror. These niggas be copying, niggas be Paris.
Guys, look at my head. Look,
I
guys.
don't smoke gas, but I'm high off the ceiling. Breathing the mic and that bitch get a million. I'm like a wagon, you getting carried. Your career dead, you getting buried.
I ain't been home in a week.
With the pains, I'm feeling good, I'm fresh like powder. Pull on my dick and I bet she devour. Wait on my comeback sooner than soon. For my ex bitch, she a dirty baboon. If I'm like the hoe, then I'll pass her the Merrick. These niggas be copying, niggas be Paris.